Iranian Fattah II hypersonic missile reportedly obliterates Israeli war cabinet meeting in Tel Aviv. Shockwaves are rippling across the Middle East after explosive reports claimed that an Iranian hypersonic missile struck the heart of Tel Aviv, allegedly hitting a high-level Israeli security cabinet meeting in what could become one of the most devastating leadership strikes in modern military history. According to emerging and still unconfirmed battlefield reports, the weapon identified as Iran's hypersonic Fattah II missile slammed directly into a fortified government structure where senior war planners and military commanders had gathered. The impact reportedly reduced the building to rubble within seconds, leaving behind a scene described by witnesses as total annihilation. Sources circulating within regional intelligence channels claim that between 7 and 10 Israeli army generals were killed instantly, their bodies recovered from the wreckage, as rescue crews continued digging through debris. Officials fear the death toll could rise significantly as the full scale of the destruction becomes clear. What makes this incident especially terrifying is the alleged use of a hypersonic missile, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 10 while maneuvering unpredictably. Such weapons are designed to evade even the most advanced air defense systems, including those deployed by Israel. If confirmed, this would mark the first known instance of Iran successfully using a hypersonic missile to directly eliminate top-tier Israeli military leadership in a single precision strike. Military analysts warn that hypersonic weapons compress reaction times to near zero. Radar operators may detect them, but cannot stop them. This isn't just a strike, one defense observer said. This is a decapitation attempt. While Iran has not officially confirmed responsibility, the alleged use of its most advanced missile sends a chilling strategic message. Nowhere is safe, not even the command centers of Israel's military elite. The destruction of a security cabinet meeting would represent more than physical devastation. It would strike directly at Israel's chain of command, potentially disrupting operational planning, coordination, and response capabilities at a critical moment. The symbolism is unmistakable. Leadership itself is now a target. If verified, this attack could trigger immediate and massive retaliation. Israel has historically responded to leadership strikes with overwhelming force, and the possibility of a full-scale regional war now looms larger than ever. Military forces across the region are reportedly on heightened alert. Air defense systems have been activated, and emergency protocols are underway amid fears of follow-up strikes. The Middle East stands at a crossroads. One hypersonic missile may have changed the balance of power overnight. It is important to note that full official confirmation remains limited, and details continue to emerge. However, even the possibility of such a strike underscores the terrifying new reality of hypersonic warfare, where leadership targets can be eliminated in seconds, without warning, and without defense. If proven true, this moment could be remembered as the instant modern warfare entered its most dangerous phase yet.